Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and happy new year to everyone. I know it's not too late to say happy new year. Happy new. Okay, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you really like this video, and please share. Let us move to 700 subscribers. I beg you, 700 subscribers. I know we can do it. Thank you so much. Thanks in anticipation. Okay, so early this year I started the no soda challenge, and I started with a no soda challenge calendar so that you can tick the days. And then I decided to let people be accountable, because sometimes people tend to forget and then they just give in to the enticing soda. And so I started doing daily messages to remind people, and so that people to just have an accountability partner. So if you would like to join these free daily messages, you can signify in the comment section so that I can just add you to the list. Yeah, and I've been getting a lot of wonderful feedback. I've been getting a lot of feedbacks, and I'm so grateful for you all taking part in it. So yeah, while we're doing the no soda challenge, I checked out for some other healthy alternatives that one can take in place of soda, and then I came across this on Instagram. Inspired this detox water or infused water that I'm going to be taking us through in today's video. So before I start, let me take you right into the market section, where I went to the market and the beginning of where it all started. Okay guys, we are here live in the market to get the fruit and all that I will be using for our ingredients, so stay tuned. Detox water is simply fruit infused water. That is a water that has been infused with flavors of fresh fruits, vegetables and herbs. More like you're just, giving your water a little bit of spark. So because I know that there are some times that when you want to give healthy alternatives to soda, some people don't just like water. There are other alternatives apart from water though. But sometimes you might just want to spice up your water with some little bit of sparkles. In this case, fruit, vegetables or herbs. So that is why detox water, infused water, and it contains very few calories, good for weight loss, and also a good substitute for high sugary drinks like soda. So the major benefit of this detox water is majorly attributed to the water itself, and it's something that can actually last for like 2 to 3 days if you keep it in the refrigerator, like the one I did mine yesterday. And today I'm still drinking my infused water. So it's something that it's economical. So it's economical because you're not spending a lot of money to be able to achieve this healthy lifestyle. You're not spending a lot of money compared to the amount that you're going to use to buy soda every day, or for people that take at least 2 to 3 bottles of soda every day. So you could just save up that money to get fruit and use it for detox water. If you want to spice up your water, you don't just want ordinary water as a substitute. Or you can just buy this fruit and take this fruit, just take it, enjoy it. Yeah, love it, enjoy it, enjoy fruits in your diet at least twice a week. Yeah, it's not bad. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's make it up to 700 subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, you can drop your questions in the comment section below. So living healthy is the goal and the watchword, and the goal is to actually continue the No Soda challenge till the end of the year. So if you're already part of this challenge and you're not ticking your calendar, don't forget to tick your calendar like I've been ticking mine and like others have been ticking theirs. So this is from what I did yesterday. So this is the remains of what I did yesterday, and I can still add water to it and drink. Thank you for joining me. Bye.